the lines, and we're starting on Oosh, Iki, Beer, go!
Qualification match number 11 officially underway here on the Curie division. We've got game pieces being scored for both of these alliances. Looks like Blue Alliance has got 3 game pieces of Coral. Red Alliance is going to make that 5, courtesy of 6948 and their partners. Blue Alliance is going to end up being the ones to jump ahead with a score of 43-41. When as we move into our tele-operated period, the human player of 10,032 is going to sink in a shot of algae up into the Red Alliance barge for 6 points. Straight from the processor, it was sourced. 6948 has an algae trying to be descored. Looks like they may have one stuck in the robot. They'll try to get that out as well. 2046, the Red Alliance machine, grabbing a piece of algae and dropping it off into the processor as best as possible. Looks like we got 2 Red Alliance robots for 3 versus 3 Blue Alliance robots. On the opposite side of the field, the Blue Alliance machine of 1261, dropping off a piece of coral onto the level 3. Their partners 3354, racing on over to try to do the same. We've got game pieces of coral being scored on all 3 levels for the Blue Alliance, courtesy of the Cyber Tribe. 1261, the Robo Lions, dropping off another piece as well. Looks like we've got 1 Red Alliance machine, 6948. The Eagles, deep in Blue Alliance territory, trying to slow them down. 2 Red Alliance robots still trying to keep pace with the 3 Blue Alliance robots, and they're doing quite the job as well. Less than 30 points separating these 2 teams. That's plenty of coral to be scored on both of the reefs. Looks like Blue Alliance is maintaining the advantage as well. 1261 sinking another piece of coral up on the level 4 for the Blue Alliance. Their partners 3354 is going to try to complete that. Looks like they've got 1 open slot left on level 4. Red Alliance still's got a lot of open spaces on their reef, filling up the side closest to their driver station first. 2046 making a lot of solo work on the reef for the Red Alliance, courtesy of Bare Metal. They're doing a great job grabbing from the ground and racing it on back up with their intake mechanism that just slides through their robot and sinks it onto the reef. 1 robot scoring all of the coral for the Red Alliance and keeping pace right up on Blue. That means it's time for our end game. Teams are going to start shifting their focus over towards the barge. 6948 making their way on over to line themselves up on the cages. Their partners 2046 Bare Metal looking to join them. Looks like first up in the air for the Blue Alliance is going to be Cyber Tribe as we wind down match number 11 here on the Curie division. We'll be back with your official result. It'll be the Blue Alliance. They're walking home with a score of 202 to 150. Blue Alliance walking home with all 3 ranking points. 1 for the auto, 1 for the coral, and 1 for the barge. Red Alliance walking home with 2 ranking points as well.